Kath Molloy and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. Tonight I'm here in Belfast. It's like 11 p.m. and I've just met one of the most amazing women all the way from Australia 30 years ago. Can you let us know who you are and what you're actually doing? It's really exciting.
My name is Corinne McAllister. I run a pub in Belfast called the Morning Star. It's a very old historical pub and it's good fun.
And you've done amazing things. You've brought up 3 children here.
Yeah, 3 children. Two of them are here and one of them is in Australia. One of them is going to stay here. The other one is left and one is transient.
One is transient. So if you get to Belfast, I really recommend that you come here to the Morning Star. It's amazing. It's got so much history. And I'd love to ask you, what do you do to make a difference in your life or the lives of others?
I treat everyone with respect, and I've lived here for a long time, and this is a mixed community pub and always has been. There's only, I think, 4 families have owned this pub before us. It was always a neutral pub, so when all the troubles were on in Belfast, everyone came here.
Everyone came here.
Everyone came here.
And you still can.
Still
Speak
can.
soon. Have a great Monday.